Once the student hits number of hours, generally 700 hours, which is they're on their way to completion, we prepare them for the profession that they study for. So we provide professional development classes. The first part is resume writing. Second part is being a professional development. The third part is interviewing skills, and the fourth part is financial management. The goal is that once they start working, they also know how to manage their finances. We also connect with different employers to assist our students with employment. What PTTI does is we introduce you, we train, and give you those introductory skills. When you get out there into the field, now you've got a lot more to learn. You know, this isn't the end of your learning because you graduated here. It's the beginning of your learning for your professional life. So you want to make sure that you continuously learn. That's why I say commit to your craft. Some companies that we connect with, they are consistent. So they may call us and say, do you have anybody who can fill job openings? What we like to do is try and nurture those relationships, but we also like going out and getting additional employers. We want to make sure that the student is satisfied with where they're going, because this is their professional life, this is their professional decision. So it's always that balance of keeping the employer and the student satisfied. And so building those relationships and selecting the right student to fill the job is important. We have them fill out a profile sheet. So we talk to them about that and see where they stand with that and see how we can assist them, because everybody is an individual, so everyone's experience is different. We ask them how far are they willing to travel, what salary they're looking for. So these are some of the barriers that we find out, connect with, and see how it affects them in their employment. So everybody's situation is different, but I don't think that anybody should have a fear of approaching us and letting us know. We try and be very confidential. If a person is having a problem and we assist, you can come and say, well, you know what, I'm having a problem, and if I can help you fix the problem, I will, or I'll try and refer you to somebody who can. We've had quite a bit of success with students who, whatever their barriers were, if these are barriers that we can fix while they're here, yes. And then a lot of times students come back after whatever the issue is, and we'll assist them then. That's what we're here for. We're not here to do anything but to help you in any way that we can.